Hello, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 7 Greenland, the land of ice and snow. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the Greenland, its location, and the people of the Greenland, how they live their life. So, let's warm up first. Here, you have to recognize and label the picture over here. The area near north of Arctic Circle and south of Antarctic Circle, what we call them polar region. And tundra region occur in north polar region beyond the Arctic Circle. And tundra region जो है वो lie पड़ता है area which is covered by perpetual snow. ये बहुत ज़्यादा snow से covered होता है जिसको हम polar ice cap region भी कहते हैं. What we call them? Polar ice cap region. Where is tundra found? Only in northern hemisphere. In southern hemisphere, entire continent of Antarctica has a permanent ice cap. ये क्या होता है? Permanently ice covered होता है, right? So let's study with the location over here. Greenland lies in the tundra region. Greenland कहाँ lie करता है? Tundra region में north east of Canada में. It lies closest in the North Pole. If we travel to Greenland by sea route, a very lovely and amazing sight awaits. As we reach this cold land, we see a huge blocks of ice. हम क्या देखते हैं कि huge blocks of ice क्या कर रहा है? Float कर रहा है पानी में. And the land is foggy due to cold climatic condition, and with great difficulty if we talk about icebergs have huge chunks or blocks of ice floating in water. Huge, much of the western part of Greenland in the Arctic region, but the most unusual fact about the Greenland is that nothing is green. नाम तो ग्रीनलैंड है लेकिन कुछ भी ग्रीन नहीं है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको एक्सट्रीम क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन देखने को मिलेगी. हर चीज आपको यहाँ व्हाइट देखने को मिलेगी बिकॉज ऑफ स्नो एंड द लैंड इज कवर्ड विद थिक शीट ऑफ आइस विच समटाइम्स स्लाइड्स ऑफ द स्लोपिंग लैंड एंड फेल इनटू सी एंड द कंटिन्यूअस एक्शन स्लोली फॉर्म्स अ ह्यूज आइसबर्ग. एंड जो आइसबर्ग्स होते हैं ये एक्सट्रीमली क्या होते हैं? डेंजरस होते हैं फॉर द शिप्स एज दे आर मच बिगर अंडर वाटर. एंड ड्रॉप ऑफ द आइस क्यूब इन अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, वही आपने आइस क्यूब डाला. So you will observe that little portion of the ice lies above the water and the same happens with an iceberg. कुछ तो पानी के नीचे रहता है, कुछ पानी के ऊपर रहता है. And the area which lies near the coast remain covered with ice or almost 3/4 of the year. It never rains here but snow very often. The land here faces summer for almost a negligible period. यहाँ पे आपको grasses और leeches देखने को मिलेंगे. What we found here? Grasses and leeches. People of the Greenland. Let's study about the people of the Greenland. If we talk about the people of Greenland, they have to face the biting cold of tundra region. This has made very tough. They have called Inuits for Greenlanders. They clothe themselves with clothes made up of animal skin and fur. They wear 2 trousers at a time and a coat made of animal fur. Their coat also had a hood which covers their head. The women folk here also wear the same dress. And their only difference is being that their hoods are little larger, जिससे वो अपनी उनकी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं while they are at work. Children too wear the same clothes. As for their feet, they wear long weather boots जो प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं उनको किससे? Feet from the snow. Then we have Eskimos. The Inuits live in the houses made of snow. Let us now visit their homes. The Inuits live in a temporary house. But when it gets extremely cold, they do live in well-built house. But the strange thing is that the houses in which they live are made up of ice, and the ice is in abundance here. A family takes just a few hours to build a house. And they simply make it with slabs of ice, and these slabs are put side by side to make a circle. और ये क्या बनाते हैं? सर्कल बनाते हैं. Right? Slowly they form dome and it is center. They leave a hole for the smoke and hot air to pass outside. This is the only hole and the house is almost airtight. In order to enter, one has to crawl it by removing the ice slab. The floor of the house is covered with animal fur and skin. The fat got from whales is used in light lamps and cook food. You can well imagine the life led by these people. Inuits hunt animal. वो एनिमल्स को हंट करते हैं विद हार्पून्स एंड दिस इज देयर मेन हंटिंग वेपन. A harpoon is a spear-like weapon with a long rope of leather which is attached to it. They also hunt animals like polar bear and they also hunt sea animals like seals, walrus, big fish and all this is made possible because of harpoon. Harpoon का ही use करके अब इसको क्या करते हैं. The rope tied to the harpoon has them to pull their prey from deep inside the cold water. This prevents the hunting animal from drowning. In order to hunt fish, they make holes in the ice and they wait patiently with the harpoons. When a fish comes to take in fresh air, they strike it with their harpoon. वो अपने harpoon से क्या करते हैं? Strike करते हैं. These people make small boats of seal skin. The frame of their boat is made up of bones. This boat is called kayak. And even if the kayak overturn, Inuits never fear. They are excellent swimmers. Inuits use sledge in order to transport themselves and their catch. And sledges are wheel-less cart. Dogs or reindeers pull their sledge. Children also sit and enjoy sledge rides. And can you tell why are wheel carts not used here? क्या बता सकते हो? So these people migrate to the south during spring and summer for a short period of time. During this period, they live in tanks and take to grazing their reindeers. So from above, we learned that Eskimos greatly depends on animals. They use them for food, clothing, and shelter. They make tools, needles, and fuels from animals. Today, great changes can take place in the lives of Eskimos. Many of them live in wooden houses instead of igloos. What they use? Motorboats, power sledges, guns to hunt, and they even export tinned fish and fur. They have started living in villages and small towns. They have almost all the modern amenities. जितनी भी modern amenities है सब यहाँ पे आपको देखने को मिलेंगी. They have schools, hospitals, library, markets, clubs, and children have studies starting in school also. Next is in Greenland, many such towns have come up, Nuuk being the largest of them all with the population about 50,000 people. Large ship carry goods from one part of world to these people. Today, towns of Greenland are even connected. So, towns in Greenland, they are even now connected from North America and Europe by airbase. The very strange thing is that about these places, the days and nights are not too much important. For days together, there is no sunlight, but there is sufficient light during the long nights. So that we can see this light comes from the sun, which remain mostly in the horizon. During spring and summer, it is vice versa. The sun is sometimes visible continuously for several weeks. These factors make summer season very cheerful. Grasses grow quickly, which is food for reindeer and they feed upon their grasses even after the summer. This land of Eskimos is known as Tundra region. It covers northern part of Asia, North America and Europe. Right, this is all in this chapter. Hope you've understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.